Buenos días a todos. This video is specifically about the presentaciones orales that you guys have due for Módulo 2. This will be due the first video on Sunday, February 17th before 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, Tucson time, and the peer feedback will be due on February 24th, Sunday, the same, 11:59 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. And it gives us here the instructions. Each presentation must be in Spanish. You should have at least 5 PowerPoint slides. The length will correspond to your level, which for us is 5 minutes. Okay, you'll be graded on pronunciation, grammar, fluency, content, and quality. Your slides should contain images and no more than 2 sentences. 50% will automatically be taken off if you read or sound like you are reading. So that is kind of the guidelines for the presentation. And then getting into the topic, please identify a problem with university education at your specific university or across the United States. Discuss this problem using present subjunctive. Okay, so that's what we want you to use to give suggestions, recommendation, and advice on how to improve the situation. Please make sure that the voice files are shared with the class. If I cannot see it, I cannot grade it, and that will result in you getting a 0. Okay? So that's the first step, is you guys need to complete the presentation. Then a week after the presentations are completed, you will be doing the peer review. So what you're going to do is orally and in Spanish respond to 2 classmates' videos by watching their presentation and replying about 3 things you learned from their presentation and 1 thing they did well, or something that and 1 thing they could improve upon. Okay, so this is what you guys need to do in order to receive full credit. Ideally, you should be commenting on your partner's video for the oral dialogues and someone else. But if your partner does not complete the presentation, you can just comment on 2 other videos. Okay, so you need to comment on at least 2 classmates' videos. Okay, watch their presentation, 3 things you learned, 1 thing they did well, 1 thing they could improve, and you need to respond orally in Spanish. If you provide written feedback, you will only receive 50% of the grade. Okay, so, and if it's in English, the same. You'll only receive 50% of the grade. Make sure that you follow those steps in order to get 100%. Okay, so here is our voice thread. We're going to go to course view. Okay, and if you guys have any questions about using VoiceThread, okay, you can go here to VT Home, VoiceThread Home, and it gives you lots of great information and help. Where is it at? Here we go. So if you go to the side here, it says tutorials, it'll give you a lot of different help to show you how do you need to create a voice thread, how do you do a comment, how do you share, anything that you might need to do, commenting on a video, and this will give you guys help if you're having any issues. So basically you'll go here to the side, tutorials, and then that's where it will show you this information. You guys can use that when you are completing any of the things that we do on VoiceThread to kind of help you out. Okay, remember when we do add your own, you can go to create a new voice thread. And you should be recording these directly into VoiceThread. Okay, so the way that you guys can upload and create your PowerPoint videos, it does tell you on here when you go to create a voice thread. But basically what you'll do is you'll go to add your own, create new voice thread, add media. You'll drop in your PowerPoint here. And then once you do that, the steps that it shows you below in this tutorial for creating a voice thread. Okay, you'll have the slides. Let me see where you'll have the slides up as so. And what we really want you to do is go to comment. The comment will give you these options. Okay, and I want to see you guys not only doing the audio, but the webcam as well. So please do both at the same time, the audio comment, so your obviously narrating the PowerPoint, but I also want to see you on the webcam doing your presentation. And when you guys respond to your partner and other classmates' videos, you only have to do it orally. Okay, so make sure that it is completed using the audio of the webcam, but do not do written, right? That will get you 50% off taken automatically. So please go through this video. It's really helpful creating a voice thread. That's found by going here to what is our voice thread home and clicking on VT home, and from here tutorials, and from tutorials go to creating a voice thread, and that will really help you guys know how to complete it. And please don't forget to share. Let me know if you guys have any questions. Thank you.